Hi, and welcome to the REMAX Hallmark June 2017 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. The market has definitely slowed down since the crazy early spring, and that's a good thing. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were down 37.4% for June compared to last year, with 7,974 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a bigger 37.6% share of the market, with 3,000 units being sold. The June average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $793,915, a still significant but much more moderate 6.3% higher than last year. Because of higher prices for semi and detached houses, sales and competition for condo suites has now brought the high-rise market into extremely high demand. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market has been. The inventory average for the month of June compared to historical numbers was just about even, but up a big 60% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In June, that ratio finished at 40.5% compared to 99% last year, and down from May's 55%. We're now just in a busy seller market territory, so sellers need to be aware that it's not the craziness of previous months. The days on market average for Toronto homes was 15 days, 4 days slower than May. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for June was $605,135. That average moved up 26% from the same time last year. With 461 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down 32% compared to 2016. There were 763 active listings on the market in June, 34% fewer than last year. The ratio of sales to listings was 60.4%, which keeps CO1 in very busy seller's market territory. The average days on market came in at 16, 4 days slower than last month. Now east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for June was just over $594,600. That number was up 25.4% compared to 2016. And with 183 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down 16% from last year. There were 270 active listings on the market in June, down 9% from 2016. The ratio of sales to listings was 67.8% for the month. That number keeps CO8 solidly in very busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 13, 3 days slower than last month. Here's a summary of the significant real estate milestones for June 2017, with some dramatic changes and some neighborhoods still doing very well. We saw the lowest number of overall sales for the month of June since 2002 at 7,974. And the ratio of sales to listings moderated again from May's 55% down to 40.5% in June. Still a seller's market, but much more moderate than we've seen this year. The average sale price dropped back to $793,915, still up 21% year-to-date compared to 2016. Also, there was a 6.3 average sale price increase from June 2016, and sales in the month were down 37% from 1 year ago. The GTA real estate market overall averaged the days on market at 15, still quick. First-time buyer aspirations are now shifting to a condominium lifestyle. Condo sales took 37.6% of the total market in June, about 6% more than average. Downtown condo listings were lower by 9 to 34% from last year at this time. And we saw a low days on market average at 13 to 16. The ratio of sales to listings for condos downtown ranged between 60% in CO1 to 68% in CO8, well ahead of the overall market. And the average sale price for downtown condominium suites is up by roughly $120,000 from 2016. Building on this higher demand due to better affordability, condo appreciation in the two main downtown markets averaged 26% year over year. Markets in York Region have suffered the most from the Ontario government's April 20th pronouncements. Every district is now showing that they're in buyer market territory. This month we're looking at the stats for average sale prices for our typical housing types between June 2015 and June 2017. Every type of home has seen appreciation of between 28% to 33% over those 2 years, or roughly 14 to 16% annually. This is much more moderate than we saw earlier this year. This is actually a good thing to get us away from the insane steam that we saw in the market between January and the end of April. So what's the best way to make your first baby step into the Toronto or GTA real estate market? Make a call or send an email to your favorite REMAX Hallmark professional and set up a conversation over a coffee to discuss what your buying or selling options going forward might be. Remember to check back here in early August for our July 2017 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.